is this is how you can write comments. Single line comment with 2 slashes. And a multi-line comment with a slash and an asterisk. So as soon as you put a slash and an asterisk and hit enter, it finishes the rest of the block for you. And those are the 2 kinds of comments. The third kind of comment is a Javadoc comment, which is done with 2 asterisks instead of 1, and it's blue color. So as soon as you hit that, it just gives you the Javadoc comment. So these are the 3 different commenting styles. Javadoc Comments is generally used by developers when they want to produce the documentation right within the code so that they can run Javadoc command afterwards to produce the web pages for all the programs that they've written in the project. And for the regular Java stuff, you know, the first 2 comments are the regular Java comments. Also, single line comment do not have to be at the beginning of the line. They can also be somewhere in the middle of the line, like this one. So that pretty much tells you that from this point onwards, everything is a comment and everything to the left of that is not a comment.